Hello everybody, it's once again time to clean the floor, and I'm excited to have finally found a product I've been searching for a long time. It is Hill Country Fair Pine Cleaner, and from the H-E-B grocery store, which are pretty common here in Texas. Take a look at the infos. Doesn't say how much pine oil it has, but it indeed states it has pine oil. Well, let's go over to the cloud cam and see if we can get any clouds out of this product. I'm over at the cloud cam, and as usual, I'm going to do my 1/8 cup per gallon, or 30 milliliters, or 2 tablespoons, however you want to say it, it's all the same. Let's see what we got. And just out of the bottle, a nice strong pine. I do believe I'm seeing some clouds. So far it's checking all the boxes. I've got some real hot water and the pine fumes are coming right off of the water just fine and dandy. Let's go back over to the floor cam and get to work. As usual, I will go over the floor twice, rinsing the mop out in this water right here between rounds. And also a reminder, this is a light traffic floor, so a light general cleaning is all that's required here. Let's get started. Round one. Round one. Got some nice, pleasant pine aroma filling the hallway now. Round two. And that appears to have done a fine job. Definitely something to keep in the rotation. A little bit of splashy there. Tidy that up. Take a look at the water after. A little bit darker than it was, so picked up some good general dirt on that tile floor. Once again, cleaning the floor with Hill Country Fair Pine Cleaner from H-E-B. Thank you for watching.